Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Some days ago we published an unboxing video of AGM X2 SE. This is a flagship rugged phone with very interesting features. Today I want to talk about its performance, show you benchmark results and gaming. After a short intro, we will begin with specifications. AGM X2 SE is powered by Snapdragon 653 processor and Adreno 510 graphics. This is not flagship chipset, because even Snapdragon 660 is much better, however it also provides very good performance. New phone has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory with microSD memory card support. The first impressions, AGM X2 SE works very fast and smooth. I didn't notice any breaks or slowdowns while surfing user interface or internet. Now let's look at benchmarks. As usual, the first benchmark is AnTuTu, because it is the most popular benchmark for Android devices. As you can see, AGM X2 SE has about 84,000 points in AnTuTu. This is pretty good result for rugged phone. However, the phones on Snapdragon 660, for example 11U Pro, with the same price as AGM X2 SE, scores almost twice as much, about 140,000 points in AnTuTu. The next benchmark, GeekBench 4, shows 1500 points in single-core test and 2900 points in multi-core test. Also, it is important to show you 3D Mark test. It allows to evaluate graphics capabilities. Here you can see 1432 points. Finally, I want to show you memory speed test. Perhaps it will be interesting to some of you. There is 263 megabit per second of reading speed and 132 megabit per second of writing speed. Of course, I tested Wi-Fi, GPS and cellular networks. Everything worked fine. Now let's play some games. The first game I want to play is PUBG Mobile, because right now it is the most popular Android game. I run it with default settings and you can see its performance on your screen. I think it is pretty good. You can comfortably play this game without lags or slowdowns. The next game is Shadowgun Legends. I found this game for myself not so long ago, and now I'm a big fan of it. I already played it on Qualcomm HD70. You can find this video by the links in the description. It seems that AGM X2 SE runs it very good too. And the last game for today is Asphalt 8. I think that these games will be enough to make a conclusion about performance of this phone. Asphalt 8 doesn't cause any problems to AGM X2 SE. The game is smooth and I don't see any lags or even FPS drops. I cannot say that AGM X2 SE is the most powerful smartphone on the market, especially for its price, about $450. However, it is one of the best rugged phones. I didn't notice any problems with the user interface, surfing internet, different apps, etc. Also, it runs any Android games on low or medium settings. Anyway, first of all, AGM X2 SE is a rugged phone, not gaming device, and it provides good performance for regular user. Thanks for watching. Later I will make camera test and battery test. The links will be in description. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.